inside to get the shape that you want to get. Oh la 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 la. You remember we spoke about asymmetric designs. So in an asymmetric design, what you have at the left is not the same as what you have at the right. So let's see how such designs can be done. So let's go closer a bit and see how the design is. So look at the design. So she has some sort of dart here and then another dart here. And the design analysis is here for you. But let's go and see how it will be done. Now to do this design, let me just guide you so it's very fast. They don't have a bus dart, they also don't have a waist dart. But they've moved both bus dart and waist dart to the armhole. Okay, if you can see clearly, this is the armhole. So bus dart and waist dart has been moved here for you. So you start off by tracing a full block. Now this is a full block. You move your bust and your waist to your armhole. Then you move bust and waist to the armhole as well. Then now you draw a star line from that bust point, okay, all the way to somewhere here. Then you come and draw from this point also, okay, all the way to this point as well. Then now look at what you are going to do. You are going to cut through the armhole. You will cut through this point as well. If you remember, let's go back to the top. There was a dart at the top, and then there's a star line here. So to move this dart to this place, you must slash this dart, close it, and then open it in the star line. So what they've done is they have now closed that bus dart, and then it's been opened here for you. Then this area too, you remember there was a dart here, so you slash into this particular section, you close it, and the dart is opened down here beautifully for you, and then you are gone. Now if you have a shoulder that is 2 inches like this, you must go and make sure that your shoulder at the back is also 2 inches. So for example, you know, we stood from this point, or they measured 2 inches away from their shoulder tip and they drew their neck. So you too, when you go to the back, you must stand at the tip of the armhole and go in 2 inches to draw your neck, so that when you are joining both front and then back together, they would meet. Let's try another design. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So this is still dart manipulation or dart transfer. We are using that to create very beautiful effect. And these are asymmetric designs. It means we need full blocks. So you now move, once again, you move your bust and your waist dart to your armhole. So it becomes one big dart. Then your bust and waist to your armhole as well on the left hand side. Now, you draw a star line from your left armhole to hit the right dart. Then you draw another one from this side all the way to hit your bust dart. Now, all you are going to do is cut this dart. Then you come and cut this star line. Now, close this dart, and then there will be a star line from here to this point. Then you come and cut this one as well. Close this dart, and then this place will open. And this is the results you are seeing here. As beautiful as that. So when you are going to sew, you just hold this big dart and sew, and your armhole will go back to the original shape it was again. This is also another Y effect that you can have here beautifully. So in this design, you just have to follow what is in the book. Just watch the styles, how they do it. Once again, move your bust dart to and your waist dart to your armhole. Move this all the way to your armhole. Then now draw a line from there to hit the center line. Draw another one from this point to hit here. They've told you that stop 2 inches before, like that. So the pages, the number of the pages are here, 1, 2, 8. Now what are we going to do? We are going to slash this dart like this. No, you start off from this place. So you slash this area all the way to this point. Then you cut your dart. Immediately you close it. This area is going to open. Then it will now allow you to go all the way to this point. Then now you can cut this bust dart and close it up like that, and this area will open. So this is the kind of pattern you are going to get when you are done. And when you sew, you are going to get the design the lady is wearing. So you sew this dart first, then you sew this one across it. You can do the same design, but this time, instead of holding this area as a dart, you rather gather it. So if you look at what she has here, it's the same old design, but this part is gathered. So you get a dart there. That's what she has, a dart, all right. But she didn't sew it as a dart. So if you look at the pattern, you realize that she closed this and then she had it here. And instead of going to sew it as a dart, she rather spread it up to even get more. So you gather this and then you sew this all the way down, and then you're good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, this is dart transfer or dart manipulation.